You'll never change. I always get caught in the rain.
Nah, it's just spinning. God damn. There we go, there we go. Fuck, bros. Finally, bro. I don't know what was done to that SI. I know for sure intake and exhaust by the way it sounded. Right now I'm on a full tank. No excuses though, bro. I've always just wanted to see. I never really thought I would be one. I've always just wanted to see how I would do against one, if that makes sense. My bad if it was wobbly, guys, because I need a phone mount again, guys. Fuck. But man, bro, I even told dude thank you. He started laughing. He's like, bro, no problem. Because I was down shit. I was like, fuck, let's see if he wants it. And he smiled at me. I was like, you down, bro? He's like, yeah. And you guys know me, win or lose, bros, I always post, especially because I always want to see how this car does. Fuck, bros, that was a good run. I wish we could have kept going and got more rolls, but too much traffic, don't want to risk it. I do want to race an 8th gen again, a 9th gen SI, and a Fiesta ST, just to see how I would do against them, guys. Nah, I don't think he wants to. He was like going for it until he heard the pops. Wait, bro. Yeah, let's get this wrong, bro. Yeah, hell yeah. It looks like a stock SI, so that's a good thing I'm trying. Is that a GTI? Going for it at first, I whipped out the camera. And like I said, guys, like win or lose, I'm always down. He downshifted. Pass though, but that's just fucking dope. So he wants to get another one. You wanna do another one? You wanna do another one? It's up to you, bro. No pressure. No pressure then, bro. No worries, right then? Alright. He says he's fucking tired, guys. He's like, nah, no worries, bro. I never forced no one to race because like he was on my ass and like, look, he's trying to pass me, what the fuck? Like he was on my ass and like, you know, like following me, so I was like, alright, I'm fucking down. I'm always down, guys, but hey, good shit with him. I swear, guys, I'm not trying to just get one and done with you guys, because that's what the latest videos have been on, but fuck, guys, that was a good little 9 gen run. I don't claim that as a win. He was going to pass me, so good shit.